So if you're learning a foreign language, you might find it really useful to pay attention to the prefixes and suffixes that might be apparent in your target language. Now, these are normally very useful, very static things, meaning they don't really change. Think about, for example, the word to reappear. I don't need to say to appear again because I say reappear. That re means to do something again or something to happen once more. If maybe you're agonizing over the grammar of your target language, you may be in a state of agony. You may be feeling agony as you go through learning a language. That IZE ending is to have the feeling of. There is agony, you can agonize, which also means to be in agony. But short, sweet, and to the point, I hope that made sense. And I'm sure that you can see now really easily too how useful prefixes and suffixes are and how they might be in your target language. I hope that makes sense. I read about these and more in books that I have on Amazon. Like this if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I hope I will see you in the next one.